Designers are key players of the innovation processes within EU manufacturing SMEs. They need to constantly acquire and update multidisciplinary skills to increase SMEs' competitiveness. Specifically, they need to continuously acquire updated soft, digital and green skills and knowledge to cope with market new trends and needs. And higher education plays a key role to provide these competencies. Designers will be the future innovation triggers within EU manufacturing SMEs. Soft skills can blend into personal characteristics and attitudes. They are intangible and typically hard to observe, quantify, and measure, but they are essential to face new challenges posed by certain periods, such as the ones we are living right now. Green skills are the abilities needed to live in, develop, and support a society which aims to reduce the negative impact of human activity on the environment. Digital skills are defined as a range of abilities to use digital devices, communication applications, and networks to access and manage information. Designers do not often have these specific competencies, and EU higher education institutions are struggling to train enough future professionals in these fields. Intride is a knowledge alliance project aiming to answer to these challenges. It is co-funded by the Erasmus Plus program, involving multidisciplinary partners from Italy, Spain, Poland, and Romania. Intride aims to bring together EU manufacturing industries and higher education systems, and trigger innovation and technological transfer processes for SMEs, aligning them with regional research and innovation strategies for smart specialization roadmaps. Intride-specific objectives are developing a joint master degree for designers focused on soft, digital and green additional skills, stimulating higher education institutions update their training offer to better respond to labor market demands, bringing together higher education and industry through the creation of a community platform looking at SMEs' challenges. In addition to benefiting project partners, higher education institutions, technological partners and business representatives, it will target students, professionals, employees in their SMEs and other sector stakeholders. Overall project expected results are that the new master degree will train designers and transform them into triggers of the innovation of EU manufacturing SMEs, and the new community platform will establish a constant and constructive dialogue among higher education systems and the industry, facilitating collaboration and technological transfer. If you are a designer, a manufacturing sector professional or employer and want to exploit the potentialities of Intride outputs to trigger your innovation processes, stay tuned and join our LinkedIn group or visit the Intride website.